Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to program 2007 Toyota Rav4 key fob easy guide. Begin inside the vehicle with doors closed and both fobs at hand. Check the new fob battery and confirm the working key functions. This step keeps the cabin secure and prevents interruptions while you cycle the ignition. Staying organized speeds the process and reduces frustration, so set up your tools and fobs before moving to the programming steps. Follow these steps calmly and deliberately to program the fob. Use the working key to cycle the ignition OFF and on twice quickly, then prepare the new fob within about 40 seconds. Press both lock and unlock simultaneously on the new fob for 1 second to signal the vehicle. Finish by turning the ignition on and testing lock and unlock functions. Repeat the sequence if the fob does not respond immediately. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving on repairs by learning DIY fixes like key fob programming. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a quick break. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not program on the first attempt, stay patient and try again after freshening the battery. Small things like keeping the fob close to the steering column and completing steps within 40 seconds often solve issues. For persistent failures, a dealer or locksmith with reprogramming tools can help, especially if the vehicle requires immobilizer syncing or a specialized scan tool to finalize the key fob registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.